Hey guys, how are you again? I tell you, I'm on a roll. Got the same thing on because that bell was the package that I've been waiting for. I'm super excited. This is my early birthday gift to myself. My birthday's in May, so, and it was FedEx. Guys, I'm really trying to contain myself that I don't go crazy and start screaming. The Louis Vuitton piece. Okay. I'm like, whew, still sipping on my wine. Okay. Whew, okay. Here is the item. Okay. Here's the receipt. And this item, I purchased it off of someone. I didn't get it from the store. So, I mean, by now I'm pretty sure that we all could tell by looking at a bag if it's authentic or not. So from the pictures, to me it was authentic. It came with everything, as you can see, the receipt, and then the box, some magnetic box. But even though, I'm sweating guys, even though I could tell, but I'm obviously in person, I'll see it better. Can't even talk. But I'm gonna have it authenticated as well, just like a double check. And for my peace of mind, here it is. I think you guys could tell what this is. Here it is. Okay. This person said they only wore it one time, that that they didn't like it for them. This bag, everybody loves it, but you know, everybody's different. Everybody has different tastes. So, you know, to each their own. Okay, you got your drawstring dust bag. And like I said, this item I've been after for 3 years. But I did not want to pay the price that it is. It's, I'm sure you guys will know now, it's $4,850 with the increase plus taxes. So over $5,000. I definitely did not want to go there. So that's why I kept putting it off. But, oh my God. Guys, I'm literally sweating. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Whew. Whew. Okay. Let me just take this all in. Jesus. Okay. Okay. So this is the Louis Vuitton Capucines in the BB size, in the color Galette. And guys, tell me that this bag is not brand new. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so On the feet, you have them that it says Louis Vuitton on it. Of course, you got the gold hardware. Let me get up here, close and personal with you guys. You got the LV logo here. Just some of it is the gold, and then you have the galette color over half of the L and all over the V. You have these rings here, and it has the galette color with some like studs around it. The other side as well. You have the thick rolled handle, and let me just put my glasses on to see this glazing. Okay, you have the glazing, and then the glazing here and here. You know, this bag, when it first came out, a lot of people had problems with this, with the glazing. But since then, they fixed the problem. Okay, you got your little flower there. Then on the inside of the bag, you have the strap, which is adjustable. And this is the claw here with the LV logo there, and the other one as well, obviously both sides. Okay, and this is the inside of the bag. So you have like, it's an all leather bag. Inside you have like a brown leather all throughout. You have oh my god, I can only think of claw, but you have a little claw right here, and then you have the zipper pull here, nice, and it still has the plastic on it. And then so you have this back pocket. Inside you have the control card. You have the tag with the serial number, and again it's the Louis Vuitton Capucin's BB in the Tyrolean leather. So this is Tyrolean leather. It's like pebbled leather, and in the color galette, and it's M94634. So for whoever's interested. And then of course you have the booklet that comes with it. And then so you have the one zip pocket there. You have one main compartment there, and another one here. So you have the main compartment is split with this part here, and then right here you have it's a little tab with like a D-ring, and this is so you can put, you know, close it up, push it in there, and then have the bag like that, so it's secure. Then you have right here, you have a D-ring, and then you have here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then let's see if I could find it. I think it's in here. Yeah, you have your, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but right here you have your day code, and it is 51st week of 2018. So that's when this bag was made. And yeah, so that's it right here. You can use it like this, which I will be using it like this. And obviously I'll have the straps on. Oh, I thought, I'm so silly. I said D-ring, but it's kind of like a D-ring here and here on this end, and that's for the strap. So let's put that on. Oh my god, guys, I seriously cannot believe that I got this bag. This is like my birthday gift, my Christmas gift, my Mother's Day gift, everything. God. Okay. I think I'm pretty good with purses now. Oh, I have to put it on the outside. Oh man, see what happens when you have a little wine? This is the outcome. Oh, good. Okay, here we go. Okay. And then you have the little loop right there for the ending of the strap so it doesn't come out. And if you want it crossbody, I mean on the shoulder, there you go. And if you do want a crossbody, you can wear a crossbody, you know, if you have to do something quick. Would I wear this bag crossbody? No, but in a pinch, if I had to, you know, I'll throw it over and, you know, call it a day. But you know, I will put it there too if I needed both hands. But I normally am gonna carry it like this. Oh my god. Oh man, I've waited so long for you, baby, so long. Okay, and as you can see, you don't even have scratches on the buckle. And like I said, well, you also have on this little rivet there, it says Louis Vuitton as well. And I mean, you know, like I said, I'm gonna just to double check, you know, because, you know, this is, it wasn't, you know, cheap. But when I tell you, I got an awesome deal. They were selling it on eBay for $3,000, and we spoke on IG, and I got it for it was $28.50, if I'm not mistaken, like $28.50. So yeah, so for $28.50, $2,900, I got a bag that is over $5,000. What a steal. I almost bought it from the Purse Affair on IG, but thank God I noticed that it was the PM size, which, you know, honestly, I saw it Yoda. She has the BB and the PM, both beautiful colors. I think she has the red and the pink. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I must have watched her video, Hey Yoda, more than 10 times, honestly, because I just wanted to make sure that, you know, I wanted this size and not the PMs, and I kept going back and forth with the BB, with the PM, BB, PM. But I think that this size is great. 408 California 408 as well. She has it in this color. Irene, hey babe, she has it also, this bag. I think she has it in the black. I mean, a lot of, you know, YouTubers have this bag. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Luxe Petite, I think she has this as well. Oh my god, I can't sorry, I can't keep remembering the names. I'm just so excited. This deserves a drink. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me and letting me share this special moment with my beautiful bag. I swear, this is like my birthday, Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is a week before my birthday, and my Christmas bag. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching, and love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.